video we're going to test the Sony soundbar 2.1 channel. The model is HT-S200F. Before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Power cord and optical digital cable, startup guide, AC power cord and the battery, and operating instruction, remote control. Battery is a AAA 2 pieces. And this is the S200 bar speaker. Okay, so this is the HT-S200F Sony 2.1 soundbar with a built-in subwoofer. Okay, so let's identify the buttons at the top of the S200. This is the power button, then input button, Bluetooth, volume up and down, and this is the sensor for remote control. These are the speakers, one right, one left. One speaker is around 25 watts, and this is the subwoofer. It's 30 watts RMS. So all in all, total for this S200 soundbar is 80 watts. So 80 total wattage. Okay. And then this is the hole for the screw in order for you to hang in the wall. Okay. This is the IR repeater. This is for the AC power supply, and these are the inputs: HDMI out or TV ERC, TV in optical. So we have two input: HDMI out or ERC, and one is TV optical or fiber optic input. And we have also a USB reader for MP3 musics, MP3 files. Okay, so this is the total length. So around 58 centimeter. Yeah. 58 cm. It's 10 cm. And around 7 centimeter. Okay, so let's test the audio, sound testing. Okay, let's turn on. Okay. Let's play some music from my mobile phone. So we're going to use the Bluetooth function. So guys, this is the selector for inputs. Okay, so if you press this, it will indicate, let's say, USB function, TV function, or for ERC, and we have Bluetooth function. To go to pairing mode, you have to press the Bluetooth button for roughly around 5 seconds. Indicator lights will flash quickly, and that is already the pairing mode. So S200. Okay, this is the S200. For the best in available device, just select. Okay, so once the blinking was stopped, it means you're connected. Okay, so S200 connected for media audio. Okay. Okay, let's play some music. Let's go to my channel. Okay, let's play. I'm looking for the B77 and B72W side by side music playback. Hey, that's right. so this S200 also support wireless TV connection. So meaning if your TV support Bluetooth HT-2DV technology, you can send the sound of the TV wireless using the HT-2DV technology or from Bluetooth technology. Okay, HT-2DV technology. Sounds. Okay guys, so just now we already do testing the S200 Bluetooth audio. Now we're going to try our soundbar using the TV. So now I'm going to connect this is the HDMI cable. We're going to send the TV audio going to the soundbar using this cable. This is the HDMI cable. Okay, in your TV, just connect HDMI output, HDMI ARC. Okay, then this one. Do you hear the bass? Let's try this. Let's try this